Hi, today we're going to install front runner roof rack on Mercedes Benz G class 2019 and up, which is w463a model. Before we start, you have to read the instruction that comes with the box, and the very first step is to remove 6 covers on the roof and fit this little T-bolt so we can attach. You can use plastic pry or screwdriver. I decided to go with screwdriver. And in order to pry, you gotta be careful and put something protective to let this pop up and you won't get any scratches. Alright, so that was number 1. We have 5 more to do. So the next step will be to fit this T-bolt, and at first it seems like it doesn't fit. Just give it a little angle and twist it. So that's gonna sit. It's gonna be a little bit loose, but once you're gonna fit the roof rack on top and start tightening it, that should, secure it. So now I'm going to lift it and put it on the top. I already adjusted the needed distance, so there will be less problems when I'm going to fit it on top of the bolts. So use a woolly blanket and it's going to cover this side like this and move the whole rack closer.
Imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
With this job. So we assembled the whole roof rack in about an hour and a half, I would say, and it sits really nicely on the top. So I hope you like the videos. I'm going to include some extra footage of how it looks around the vehicle, and please subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer you. Have a nice day.